Instead of chasing hype or random stock picks, today I'm breaking down three companies that already dominate their industries and are positioned to keep growing in the next few years. These aren't penny stocks, these aren't get rich quick plays, these are long term compounders with strong businesses, massive scale, and real demand behind them. The three stocks we're talking about today are Google, Amazon, and Nvidia. Let's break down what they do, why they matter, and why 2026 could be a strong year for them. Let's start with Google, officially known as Alphabet. Most people think Google is just a search engine, but it's actually only one part of the story. Google is a data, advertising, AI, and cloud computing powerhouse. Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Maps are used by billions of people every single day. That kind of daily usage gives Google something incredibly valuable: data and attention. And that's why Google dominates digital advertising. Even as new platforms pop up, companies still pay Google billions of dollars to place ads where people are actively searching for answers, products, and services. Now let's talk about AI, because this is where Google's future gets really interesting. Google has been working on artificial intelligence for years, long before it became popular. Their AI models are being integrated directly into search, YouTube recommendations, Google Docs, and even Gmail. On top of that, Google Cloud is growing fast. As more companies move their data and operations online, Google Cloud competes directly with Amazon and Microsoft for enterprise customers. What makes Google attractive as an investment is diversification. If ad revenue slows, cloud can grow. If one product struggles, another picks up the slack. For 2026, Google stands out as a company with strong cash flow, AI leadership, and a business that's deeply embedded in everyday life. Next up is Amazon. Most people think Amazon is just online shopping, but that's one of the lowest margin parts of the business. Amazon's real power comes from scale logistics and cloud computing. Let's start with e-commerce. Amazon has built one of the most advanced delivery and logistics system in the world. Warehouses, planes, trucks, automation, all designed to move products faster and cheaper than competitors. That infrastructure is extremely hard to copy. As AI tools, streaming platforms, and online services continue to grow into 2026, the demand for cloud infrastructure grows with them, and Amazon benefits directly from that. Amazon is also expanding into advertising, which is becoming a massive revenue stream. Brands pay Amazon to promote products right where people are already shopping. For investors, Amazon is appealing because it combines growth, innovation, and long term dominance. Amazon isn't just an online store, it's the backbone of the internet economy. Finally, let's talk about NVIDIA. At its core, NVIDIA designs advanced chips called GPUs, which are essential for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data centers, and high performance computing. Whenever you hear about AI models being trained, data centers expanding, or companies racing to build smarter systems, NVIDIA is usually involved. That's because their chips are currently the industry standard. Big tech companies, research institutes, and cloud providers rely on NVIDIA hardware to run complex AI workloads. What makes NVIDIA so powerful as a business is not just the hardware, but the ecosystem around it: software, tools, and developer support that lock in customers. Yes, NVIDIA's stock has already grown a lot, but demand for AI computing isn't slowing down. It's still in the early stages. As AI spreads into healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment, the need for processing power continues to rise. Looking at 2026, NVIDIA stands out as a company benefiting from long-term technological shift, not a short-term trend. To recap, the three stocks we talked about today are Google for its dominance in advertising, AI, and data, Amazon for its unmatched logistics and cloud infrastructure, and NVIDIA for being the backbone of artificial intelligence. These aren't guarantees, and this isn't financial advice. But these are companies with real products, real revenue, and real influence on the future. If you're investing for the long term, understanding businesses like this is a great place to start. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which stock you're planning on investing in 2026. Thanks for listening!